It's summertime, and what a better way to cool off than with a creamy treat like ice cream? Did you know that President Ronald Reagan designated July as National Ice Cream Month, along with the third Sunday of the month as National Ice Cream Day? But did you also know that the modern way we manufacture, store, and distribute this frozen treat was pioneered by a black man? That's right. Although not the creator of ice cream, Augustus Jackson revolutionized the way it was made in the early 1800s, earning him the moniker Father of Ice Cream. Some of the history is a bit unclear, but what is known is that Jackson was born in Philadelphia in the 1800s as a free man, slavery having been abolished in Pennsylvania in 1780. At a young age, he moved to Washington, D.C., worked in the White House as a kitchen helper and later as a cook, serving under a few presidents, which is how he honed his skills and laid the groundwork for his innovations. As the backstory goes, the president's desires for frozen desserts like custards and ice cream grew. Jackson began experimenting, creating different recipes and processes like adding salt to the ice during the churning for better temperature control and a smoother, richer, creamier texture. He also optimized the freezing process to maintain ice cream's velvety consistency, perfecting textures that became the foundation of modern ice cream manufacturing. It is said that Jackson shaped the ice cream into elegant molds that were served on silver trays for White House guests. Ice cream was an elite dessert available only to the wealthy at the time. After leaving the White House in 1837, Jackson opened a catering business in Philadelphia. There he created a new style of ice cream, Philadelphia style, which is eggless as opposed to the rich custardy French style of ice cream. He also created other ice cream recipes and packed ice cream in tin ice pots for distribution, largely to Black American-owned parlors for $1. Unfortunately, his specific recipes went unrecorded. At some point in the 20th century, Jackson made his way to New York City and opened another confectionery business there. Tracing news of Jackson's inventive methods of ice cream manufacturing in newspapers of the time, reporters often referred to him in a disparaging way, identifying him as, quote, Sambo Jackson, end quote, when referring to his invention. Tragically, he never patented his pioneering method, denying himself deserved recognition and financial rewards. Yet Jackson's legacy endures as the visionary ushering in modern ice cream manufacturing. His story showcases the power of perseverance to transform a simple frozen treat into a beloved delicacy, cementing his place as revolutionizing how we enjoy ice cream today.